Capitalization rate, or cap rate. Simply put, cap rate is a ratio of a rental property's net operating income to its purchase price, including repairs. So to put it another way, if you can put your money into a CD at a bank and make less than 3%, but you put your money into a property and it provides 10.5%, which would you rather have? And which is a better investment? That is what the cap rate provides. It tells a reasonable investor what they can expect to make off the cash they invested. So here's a thought. If you can get a loan for the property at 5% and make a cap rate or a percentage of return at 12%, why wouldn't you loan on that property, keep your money, and make money off of somebody else's money? See why investors look for different cap rates? So how do you figure cap rates? That's the net operating income, or NOI, divided by the purchase price, or the value of the property, equals the cap rate. Or if you know the cap rate, but you're trying to figure out the purchase price, that would be NOI divided by the cap rate equals the purchase price. So for example, you have a $125,000 property. You got a rental income of $14,400. You got $2,048 a year in taxes, $1,296 per year in insurance. Your NOI, which is your net operating income, is $11,056. So you take the $11,056 divided by the purchase price of $125, which gives you a 0.088, which is a 9% cap rate. So again, if you know the cap rate, so it's the NOI divided by the cap rate equals the purchase price. So you do the 11,056 divided by the 0.088 equals 125, 636. So the cap rate is a quick way for you to determine an investor's value and compare it to other properties in the area. Cap rates can be used on all income-producing properties, including retail, warehouse, multifamily, and storage facilities. I know the question. How do you find out what the cap rates are in the area? One thing you can do is talk to a real estate agent that understands investment properties. The other thing you can do is you can look at properties that are for sale or have sold in the area and what the cap rates are. Keep in mind that just because they are asking that price for the property for sale doesn't mean they will actually get that price. It is better to look at the properties that are comparable to your subject property that have already been sold or pending sales. These properties show you what the market is actually bringing, not just what people are hoping to get. Cap rates range by property class. Watch the next video to understand property class.